sweet and sour sauce. Easy recipe. I'm using 3 grams fish sauce, a half cup. This is a half cup measuring cup in a jar. Sugar, 1 cup, 8-ounce cup, 1 cup of sugar, white vinegar, 1 cup, water. So use some napkin to open to protect your skin. Otherwise, your skin gonna tear off. 1 cup. That's it. See how fast it is to make the sweet and sour sauce. This jar I use for sweet and sour sauce. I just finished the other jar with the different recipe, but it tastes good too. For this one, it's easier. So again, a half cup of 3 grams fish sauce, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water. We can use this as a dipping or use with salad dressing. That's it. Let me taste it. Just perfect. I used to prepare my sweet and sour sauce and put in the refrigerator. Whenever we need, we have our sweet and sour sauce. For nôm cruộc, bánh chao, and you know nôm bạch chọc with salad, bánh súng, what else? Any salad dressing, or dip with chicken, fried chicken, baked chicken, or fried quail, cruộc, we call cruộc. Okay, go in the fridge. I have prepared my sweet and sour sauce. Another jar, another easy recipes. Last time I used lamb, salt, everything, but this one is quick, fast. Again, a half cup of 3 grams fish sauce, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of drinking water. Easy to remember. A half, 1, 1, 1. In the fridge, and be good to go with any salad. Put on here. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to Lina's Rejoy channel on YouTube. Help me subscribe to get 100k subscribers soon. I close there. I really close. Thank you. See you on the next video. thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you very much.